When you're healthy, you feel it. You look it. It's not something you can fake. Not for long, anyway. Energy drinks only get you so far before you crash. As for your skin, tightening and spot moisturizing don't actually make your skin healthy. The true health of every system in the body begins at the cellular level and relies on something called redox signaling, cellular messaging that takes place within every cell of the body to keep cells functioning at their prime. In the decades since scientists first discovered redox signaling molecules, more than 10,000 peer-reviewed papers have been written supporting their vital function in every major system of the human body. But age and environmental factors can cause normal cellular function to decline. This decline impacts the body's ability to produce and maintain a proper balance of redox signaling molecules. After extensive research and scientific testing, Asea pioneered a groundbreaking patent-based technology that creates and stabilizes active redox signaling molecules in breakthrough products. RENU 28 is a whole-body skin gel that works from the outside in and is certified by Bioagilytics, an independent third-party lab, to contain active redox signaling molecules. Using a proprietary process that replicates the body's own redox signaling molecules, RENU 28 supports the body's critical cellular communications, giving you vibrant skin. This is welcome news for anyone who has ever grimaced at a fine line or tried product after product that claimed to offer healthy, young-looking skin. Experts agree that the redox signaling molecules in RENU 28 support cellular communication to help increase your skin's vitality and appearance. Dermatest, a world-renowned German dermatological research institute, conducted clinical trials on RENU 28 with amazing results. In a trial on facial skin, 20 women used RENU 28 for 28 days. By the end of that time, they saw reduced wrinkle depth, increased elasticity, improvement in overall wrinkles, improved facial skin texture, and increased skin smoothness, all by 20% or more. And they even noticed an increase in skin moisture of 11%. This is significant, especially when you consider that the skin's natural ability to rejuvenate declines over time. Infants turn over skin cells about every 14 days. In adulthood, that time increases to 21 to 28 days. By age 50 and beyond, skin cell turnover can stretch to as long as 3 months. A study on skin cell renewal rate showed a 16% faster cell turnover rate, 4 to 6 days faster than normal, after only 30 days of morning and evening RENU 28 use. And in a clinical trial on cellulite, participants showed an increase in elasticity by 16.5%, while subcutaneous fat deposits were reduced in size by 10% or more after only 6 weeks. No matter what your trouble spots may be, and no matter where on the body they are, using RENU 28 morning and night can help. And Asea, a first-to-market food supplement drink, harnesses Asea's unique and science-based redox signaling technology and changes lives around the world while promoting a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Hundreds of thousands of people from all over the world have already experienced the benefits of Asea's amazing products. Isn't it time you did something for yourself that's going to work? Something that will start way down in the cells, supporting the natural process your body already has in place? Do something revolutionary for yourself. To find out more, talk to the person who shared this video with you.